Hello guys! How are you? Kamusta mga ka-haters? So, we received an quotation request for our clients from the Philippines. So, they're going to have a Switzerland trip on June 2026. So, they are requesting a 10 days trip. So let's see how it goes in our travel agency as our travel agency quotation. So gagawin natin siya. I'm going to show it to you kung paano namin ginagawa yung quotations. Okay. So plus bonus, ito hindi na nila ni-request yung flight, pero i-check natin kung magkano yung pinakamurang flight today para sa June departure. So I'm going to share my screen. Check natin kung Google Flights. Ayan, Google Flights. For Manila. Say Manila, come on, to Zurich. Let's say Zurich, Comore siya sa Zurich. June. Na natin yung pang dates. 44,000, 42, April, May, June. 49,000 siya sa June. So, napataas talaga siya. Let's see, June 14 to 4, 6, 8, 10 days. Let's say 10 days. Tignan natin kung ano yung pinakamurang. Oh my God. Kung maganda rin yung flight niya. Open pa tayo ng isang tab. No. Let's see. Manila. For comparison lang. Ito baka this will be Zurich, Lion, Basel is 62,000. The Lion 62, Geneva. Mas mura sa Zurich. Balik tayo. So, as of here, 17 hours, 16 hours, Cathay Pacific. 17. Ito maganda Oman Air. Maganda yung flight niya. Hindi ka masyadong matagal sa Muscat Airport. Kasi ang tendency minsan kapag masyadong matagal yung layover, minsan nagiging mas magastos sa airport yung bili ka ng bili, shopping ka ng shopping, lagi kang gutom. Kasi, yun, as per my experience, our experience, tagal yung layover, matagal yung stay mo sa airport, mas marami kang nakikita, marami kang nagugutom ka, so tendency kakain ka ng kakain. So, pwede rin naman ito 47,000 Oman Air. Pag nag-Emirates ka naman, 3 hours, 10 minutes layover. Okay. Pwede naman Cathay Pacific. Okay din si Cathay Pacific. Usually kay Oman Air, nasa 30 kilos ang ano niya, check-in baggage. Pwede rin tong Thai Air, okay din siya. 2 hours 50 minutes. Pero kapag kay Oman Air tayo, alis mo ng Philippines, 7:45. Dating mo ng, let's say, select flight natin to. And then, choose return Manila to Zurich, Swiss Oman Air. Return Q 23. Oh, maganda yung flight niya after nun, no? Maganda siya. Pero price hidden. Meron siyang price hidden na nakalagay. Kasi meron siyang, kasi yung return mo is Swiss Air. Siyang Swiss Air na dito. So, let's see. Okay, ito na siya. So, ito no check-in baggage. So, kung pwede mo siyang okay. Ito may 20 check-in baggage, economy comfort. Let's say, select mo siya. And then, yung return, ito nga siya, 12:30. 4 seats left. Ito, 5:35. Ito. Seats left. Ito, ano gusto pa dito? Parang in morning. Pero ito, best value nila. Ano niya? Ito, best value. 20 kilos check-in baggage. No cancellation fees. Free standard seat. Ito maganda. Meron siyang free standard seat selection. Tapos 30 kilos. No change fee. Cancellation fee. Paid upgrade. Eligible. No show refund. Okay, let's see kung ito yung ano natin. If you select okay. So, ang magiging total mo is 1,046 USD. So, yan. Check natin magkano siya sa peso. Copy USD to peso. Ano siya? So ngayon, 61,000. Okay. So, kung hindi kayo mag-book sa travel agency, it's better na mag-book kayo mismo sa website ni airline. So, para mas ma-maximize nyo rin yung credit card points nyo or magkakaroon kayo ng earning points sa frequent flyer program ni airline. So, basahin nyo na lang yung iba dito kung gusto nyo basahin yung iba. Just to let you know lang. For self-information, okay? So, let's go na, okay? Punta na tayo hanap na tayo ng stay. So, Zurich. Zurich is, anong date ngayon? June 14 to 10 days, diba? 22, 46, 10 days. At isa pa, huwag natin isasama yung departure sa bilang ng stay sa Switzerland. So, it's let's say, 14 yung dating nila is 15. Wait, 15 to, sabihin natin 22, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. O, sige. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's say, yan. 10 nights. Gawin natin 10 nights. 2 adults. Including breakfast. Check natin. And landmark. City Center. Siyempre gawin natin 4-star hotel. Ito. 0.1 lang siya. Pero ang mahal. 1 million. More. Let's see. Check natin. It's 1 million. Ito, buffet breakfast, double classic. It's 3.5-star hotel. 3.3, 0.4. Ito Hyatt. Ay, 1 million. 6. Ito, luxury collections. Ito 4-star. 4-star ang yan. I-select natin. Ito kalahating kilometro lang siya sa city center. Pwede na yun. Kasi masarap na maglakad-lakad sa Switzerland. Pag nasa Europe ka, ma-achieve mo everyday yung 10,000 steps. So, maganda siya sa katawan. Ito, 3-star hotel. Tingnan natin kasi. Yan. Kailangan 4-star hotel ibubuk natin. Meron din namang 3-star hotel na mga bago, maganda, maayos. Pero mostly na binubuk namin 4-star hotel and 5-star hotel. Okay? Ito, 1 kilometer na to. Soran Group. 1.1. Ang 1 kilometer, mga ano yan. Depende sa iyo kung 15 minutes walk or 8 minutes walk. Depende kung gaano kakabilis maglakad. 2 kilometers. Ito, Accor Hotel, maganda. Medium mama to. Pero maganda siya. Ito 180 pero 5 kilometers. Tingnan natin. Check lang natin kung ano yung location niya. Kung maganda ba yung location, kung may malalapit ng tourist spots, or let's discover what's in there. Okay. Set it. Let's see. See? Timbo. 5-star hotel. How much to? Ay, mahal. 1 million. 10 nights. Familiar Run Hotel. Okay. So 119 total number of rooms. Pinakamura is double room 967. It's 1 million for the bed and breakfast. Lakeside Junior Suite, Viewer Suite, Suite King Size Bed. Okay, lista pala natin yung yung ating air flight, airfare, Roman Air. Roman Air is, let's say, 62,000 plus travel tax on 620. Hotel, let's say, pili muna tayo ng hotel kasi masyadong mahal naman, 200,000 per night. Okay, let's see. Itong boutique hotel, Wellenbury. Ganda naman yung hotel niya. Let's see the rooms. Ay, wow, ganda. 5-star hotel talaga. Luxury. Luxury talaga siya. King bedded sofa is 284,000 for 56. Kano siya? 10 nights. 8,000. Double king size set. Okay. With breakfast na to. With breakfast, okay. Let's see. Tingin pa tayo. So, 4-star hotel naman to. Double king size, 194,000. With breakfast for 2, 284 din siya. Okay, next, Hotel Old Town. Shot informations. Bed and breakfast is 164. 540 divided by 10 is 16,000 per night. Let's see. Excellent average, great service. Small room. Okay. Ganito lang siya. Very basic. Ito tayo. Next. Hotel Seedorf. Let's see muna yung photos. Ito lang photos to. cozy room, 368,000. Bed and breakfast, oh, pricey. Okay, let's see. Mercury Zurich. Oh, 2018 lang siya. Na-construct. So, yeah. Medyo pagbago pa siya. Let's see the reviews. Let's read what other traveler says. Yeah, outside Zurich town. Good new refurbished. Great style. Slept like a queen. Starved like a peasant. Okay, avoid daw ito. Pero usually maganda ang Mercury Zurich. Mercury Accor Hotels eh. Maganda yung service, but we don't know bakit ganyan ang kanilang reviews. Hindi satisfied ang mga guest. May gym sila, may sports entertainment. Okay. What's this? Oh, may sauna. Okay. Let's see. My good luxury. Let's see. 4-star hotel na. 4-star hotel. Ulitin natin. Ito yung mga suggested. Mahal niya talaga. Tingnan natin yung lower price, cheaper. Light na to. Okay. To 100. 5,000. Mercury Lensman Crown. Ito. Check natin. Ano yung bread and breakfast. Maganda yung review. Okay naman siya. Very good. Tignan natin. Ramada, may Midham, Email Standard. Ito sa airport naman na to. Radisson Hotel, Suites Zurich. Ito, contactless. Self-check-in. Ito, Centurion Swiss. Centurion Swiss. Natin yung Centurion Swiss. Wow, oh, excellent. Excellent. Maganda yung reviews niya. Si Bawak. hotels na pagpipilian. So, ito Movenpick. So, depende na lang sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo i-book na hotel kasi mahal talaga sa Europe ang mga hotels. Super mahal. So, let's see. Hotel Banana. Ito. 1996 renovation 2014. Normal standard family room. It's 165 buffet na siya. Okay, pwede na siya. Natin yung rooms. Kahit walang rooms dito. Ito. Okay. Let's see. Oops. Ito lang mga rooms dito. Hindi na natin makikita yan. Studio with air conditioning. Hotel Montana. Central Zurich, 5-minute walk to Swiss National Museum. 12 minutes on foot, panel dressing. 74 guest rooms. Nearby attraction. Ito, may mga nearby attraction na siya. Okay. Okay na to, 150,000. And then breakfast buffet. Okay, next. Yeah. Wow. Oh, mayroong ganito. Ben, station. Building Hotel Zurich Lotten. This is 140,000. Okay. Zurich Hotel. Standard Queen 132,000. Okay. Let's say ito yung ating nakuha. So, add tayo na experiences. Switzerland. Zurich. June 15, May. June 15 to 21. And 2 guests. Tignan natin to. Ito full day tour. So, Ito mga jointer po ito ha. Ito na. 127 pala to. 2 hands. Lagyan natin to. Okay, let's see. Swiss Gerald, safe pass. Lucerne and Yacht Cruise. Ayan, pwede to. 9 hours. O yan. Let's see. Traditional soup. Alpine with Rheinfels, Stain and Rhine. Ito, kung mahilig kayo sa adventure, pwede to. Ito, ganda to. Mountain cheese fondue. Evening, afternoon. Ito, maganda rin to. 12 hours. Junk Project. Swiss Jam Save Pass. Mahal yung private walking to. 2 hours lang yun. 26,000. Okay, ito yung train trip Bernice Berlin. Okay. So 2 hours lang siya dun sa top of Jungfrau Juice is guaranteed. So this one is meeting point 15 minutes prior to the tour. So, ito yung mga point of interest na pupuntahan. Yan. 10. So, that's 12 hours. So, let's say, itatanggalin muna natin ito. Okay. Let's see, gusto mo yan. 3 in English. 8 o'clock ang start. So, gusto mo yun June 15. At to cart natin siya. Next is Zurich Interlaken. Ito 12 hours din to. Add natin 8 o'clock. So, 17,000. Meeting point din po ito ha. Ito naman. Cable car. Ito may cogwheel rail ride. Yan. Ay, ang ganda. Ito, kailangan maano mo to. Ma-experience. Logo. Clients, Montepilatus. Ito. Chicle Car Park. At natin siya. Ano bang date yung ano natin? 18. Hindi natin ano kung anong date dito. Let's see. 15. Nadoble pala siya. 15. Ano bang dito? 15 din. Explore Table Garden. Wala na ba ang date niya? Sige, pwede namang pag-1 16, 15. Ito rin pala, 15 din na idagay. Ayan. Sige, babagawin na lang natin. Itong dalawa. Okay. So, next. Hindi pa naman to final, so naghahanap pa naman tayo. Lucerne and Yacht Cruise. 9.5 hours. Ayan. Ito, 9.5 hours. So, medyo matagal ha. Matagal siya. Lucerne and Yacht Cruise. Okay, add natin to. Dagdag natin siya sa itinerary natin. So, everyday meron tayong tour. Siyempre, no? Susulitin natin. Susulitin natin ang ating trip to Switzerland. Next. Mountain cheese and chocolate. Siyempre, i-add natin to. 9 hours din siya. So, lahat po ito, meeting point niya ay sa Zurich. Dito. Sa Zurich Central Station. So, kapag ganyan mga 9 hours, malayo po kasi ang pupuntahan na yan. Yeah. Kaya maaga ang mga pick up. So, yan. Yun natin ang hours per annum. 8:30. Let's say, add na natin yan. So, ilan na? 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is tapos na natin ito eh. Ito kasama na pala siya dito. Okay, minilit naman natin siya kanina. I-delete natin to kasi mas marami to, 12 hours. Yan. Sorry, kasi may kasama na siya dito. Yan. Ito, i-delete din natin. Kasi mas matagal to. So, let's 8 o'clock, mas maaga naman siya. So, yan. So, sa 16, lagay natin. And the next is meron naman tayo nito. So, add natin to. Itong cheese fondue. Add natin siya. Okay, Saturday 20. Every Saturday lang siya. Okay, next. Mountain cheese and chocolate. Gusto niyo ba ito? Meron na tayo. So, Zurich Rhine Falls. Ito. Rhine Falls and stay and high. She's 18. See, the 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Wasn't staying ha. Saan yun? Yung mga date, disregard nyo lang kasi pwede naman siyang palitan. So, this is for quotation purposes lang. My pickup points. Your biggest balls. Mooded Fortress. Ayan, 5 hours. Ayan, okay. Ito, dagdag natin si Tiglis from Zurich. Tiglis. Okay. Live the high life. Mount list. Ayan, dami pupuntahan, no? Mount Titlis, Lago de los Cuatro Cantones, Denk, Baltrasin, Kapellbrücke, Engelberg, Alpes Suizo, Abercorn, Titlis Cliff Walk. Ayan, dami pupuntahan. So, sulit na sulit pag pumunta ka ng Switzerland. Of course, 9 o'clock uli yan. So, 21 natin siya lagay, no? So, English. Ay, ang sarap pumunta ng Switzerland, okay? Okay, 287. Wala pa dito yung airport transfer, ha? Okay, ano pa? Ano pa yung pwede nating i-add? Swiss Alpine. Tapos yung ibang days na walang gawin na lang natin siyang ito Grindelwald. Kung gusto pa natin idagdag tong Grindelwald. Meron na kasi tayo pupunta ang Grindelwald. Pero ito 12 hours. Hours. Swiss Alpine Villages nito. Swiss Alpine. Yes. Let's say add pa natin to. First stop, Panorama Drive to Awareness. Parehas na rin siya nung sa kabila. 12 hours. Okay na to. So, you have okay, yung car transfer. Add pa natin yung car transfer. And you search transfer from Zurich. Zurich. Ano yung pata natin kanina makuha? Ay, nasa na yun? Sorel Hotel. Sorel Hotel. Ito, Sorel Hotel. Sorel Hotel, ano to? Sorel Hotel, Sonenta. Sonenta. August, June 10 to 28. 2 hours in 20. Let's say, ganyan. Nation. Okay, pa-private. 12,000. So, 12,873 plus 328. 328,000 326 plus 326,000 078.86 plus yung transfer 873. So more or less, you are paying per person 169,475. So, ano natin, yung hotel plus tours is 326,078.86. Transfer private. So private was you 12,873. So per person you're paying 169 plus 62,000 plus yung 1,620 na travel tax. So more or less yung 10 days mo is 233,095.95. So kung 10 days yan, parang per day mo is 23,309. Pero marami ka namang activity per day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, you have 8 activities. Tapos dun sa days, mga days na wala kang tour, pahinga na natin yon. Switzerland, June, 2 packs, 2 persons. So ayan. So ayun guys, thank you so much for watching how I search online, helping clients create their travel planning. So kung may other request kayo, sabihin nyo lang, comment down below. Thank you. See you again.